Told y'all I'd give y'all a video of shampoo and bundles. Now, this is ideal of how I would love my clients to bring their hair back when we are reapplying for quick weave services. Still on the cap. I would normally shampoo this while it's still on the cap like this, but for those that are shampooing the bundles that are not on the cap, I'm gonna go ahead and take them off, and I'm gonna show y'all how to properly shampoo your bundles. So now I typically will use like 3 clips, sometimes 4 or 5, just depending on how much hair the client has. We're only using 2 bundles here. These 3 clips will be enough because I'll use 1 for the bottom, 1 for the middle, 1 for the top, so I know what tracks go where. So I'm going to fold them and just put them in the clips just like this. And if I had a lot of clips, I'd probably use my notes and put which ones, like what order the clips go in as far as the hair, like what pieces, maybe the bottom, maybe the top, maybe cut, maybe whatever. But this is not hard. I know yellow is my top, clear is my middle, blue is my bottom, and now I can properly shampoo them, even the wefts, without too much tangle or any of that. And today this is the shampoo and conditioner that I am using. I love this on extensions. Don't put this on your natural hair. Extensions only, okay? Whether you're using a shampoo bowl or you are at the sink, you are just going to thoroughly rinse your bundles with warm water for at least 3 minutes. 3 minutes minimum. No, and I'm dead serious. Keep rinsing. Don't stop for 3 minutes. Before you even go in with the shampoo, just keep rinsing, okay? Now you're going to lather it up with soap really, really good. And you're even going to go up top. You don't got to ball it up, but just running your hands through it. Or if you just rub it like this. You don't got to tangle the hair up the way y'all be doing. I'll be real crazy. You don't got to do that. You just rub it down, making sure you thoroughly coating the hair. Now, you can do this one really, really good time. But depending on how dirty the hair is, you low-key can do it 2 times, okay? Now, I'm going to tell y'all to do 1 clip at a time, just to be sure that y'all thoroughly cleaning the hair. Me, I could have did all 3 at one time, but this is just to show y'all how to properly do this at home, okay? You know what I'm saying? Ring your fingers through. You should have some good hair with no tangle, okay? I don't know, it ain't my hair, it might tangle, but I'm just saying. This is the part that be jacking y'all up when it comes to rinsing. You want to rinse this hair for 5 minutes. Like, you want to thoroughly rinse this hair. See, y'all don't be rinsing it all the way and it still be having residue and build up on it from the shampoo or from the conditioner, because y'all don't take y'all time to really rinse the hair and make sure all of that stuff is off of the hair. Rinse that hair for 5 minutes, okay? So I put the shampoo on. I just get a nice lather going. But again, I'm rinsing for 5 minutes to make sure I get all of the shampoo off of my bundles, okay? And what you can do, because some of y'all hair be so dry and crusty and it need some extra loving with conditioner, apply the conditioner to the hair all the way to the ends, thoroughly all the way through. And you can actually just set this clip to the side while you shampoo and apply conditioner to the other ones, and then rinse them all at once and then hang them to dry. I'm gonna always tell y'all, let them air dry. Stop putting a blow dryer to your extensions and let them air dry. Quit rushing. You know you was about to use these bundles, so plan in advance and let them bundles air dry versus y'all trying to use the blow dryer quickly. No, air dry. But you can put them to the side, or you could just comb it through and then rinse it. I'm gonna put them to the side with conditioner until I'm ready to rinse them all together. Now I'm gonna go back to the first clip. All of the clips have conditioner on them. I'm gonna go back to the first one. Go back to the first clip that I shampoo and condition, and I'm just gonna rinse it. I'm gonna rinse this longer than 5 minutes because I just want to make sure nothing is left on the hair. Curly hair be a little different. You can leave a little umph on it, but not if you're gonna put heat to it. No, it needs to be no buildup on the hair. Okay. Look this clean hair. Look how clean this hair look. Look how clean. And y'all be worried about the glue on the tracks. Honestly, this ain't killer. This ain't killer. I could, but this ain't killer. This gonna keep doing what it do without me scraping the glue off the tracks. I ain't doing all that. Now I got 3 freshly cleaned bundles, and we gonna stick them in a dryer, or in your case, you're going to hang them up to dry for at least 24 hours. And voila, your hair will be like new. I promise you, boo.